My name is Daniel Ozankin. I'm the senior electrical R&D technician, and I work on the electrical engineering team. I'm a big fan of puzzles and that kind of stuff, and when I'm doing like a really intricate rework of soldering, that kind of stuff, like adding the tiniest wire on like a pin of a chip to some other location on the board, that's kind of like solving a puzzle. I have to figure out, there's no black boxes basically. Like if we have the schematics, we have the board layouts. If something goes wrong, we can trace it and troubleshoot it ourselves. We're not afraid to change priorities on a dime. We had an issue one time where, there was an issue between what we had sent the manufacturer and what we received, and it was causing an electrical short on every single one of the 30 or so PCBs we had. And so it was basically my task to go through with a X-Acto knife and figure out where that short was coming from, and then we salvaged them so that they were good as new, essentially. The boards I'm working on are going to something that is massive, these massive machines, and it's cool to like look at it and like also see like when photos of it get taken and just like be able to like point out in the photo like specifically what I worked on or helped design, like is very exciting and rewarding.